I tested the XTOOL D5S diagnostic tool to see how accurate and useful it is in using and scanning a car's error codes. For that I have used a Mazda CX-5 2013 with 2.2 Diesel Skyactiv engine. Here is the box with the unit inside. So, let's unbox it to see what we have here. Here is a quality certificate and the list with all the parts. You can find XTOOL D5S diagnostic tool below in the video description. Then we have some instructions to show you how to use it. Here is the tablet or the unit, which has a large 5.45-inch screen, with a high-resolution image, a dual-core 1.2 GHz CPU, 128 RAM, 64 GB, and Linux operating system. Here you have the power button. Then you have the location where you connect the OBD2 cable. After you remove that rubber, you can see a slot for SD card and the USB-C charging port. Here you have the cord from the main unit to the OBD2 port of the car. And then you have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. It has these nice rubber edges which offers a good grip. Let's start the unit by pressing the power button from the top. First, you have to connect to a Wi-Fi network, which is your mobile hotspot. If you go to settings, you can change the language, the metric units, and date and time. Start signing up using your email and a new password. Now you can start using the diagnostic tool. Here you have 6 main categories: auto scan, diagnosis, OBD2, special function, updates, and more. If you go on diagnosis, you can see many car brands from America, Asia, Australia, and Europe. Some car brands with a red circle and an arrow are not updated, but you can do that in just a few simple steps by clicking on Updates. On OBD2 you can check if the connection with the car has been established. In the main menu, we also find a special function, where you can make a series of settings and adaptations such as oil service reset, throttle calibration, battery coding, electric parking brake release, ABS bleeding, camshaft sensor learning, DPF regeneration, gearbox adaptation, suspension calibration, injector coding, headlight adjustment, TPMS reset and many more. And if go to more, you can make your own profile, you can make a report of a specific car and diagnostic tool settings. Let's start some updates for a few car brands. You don't have to pay extra for it. You can make free updates for life. Let's make an auto scan on Mazda CX-5 2013. The OBD2 port of the car is located above the pedals, so you should connect the cord to the OBD2 port and then the other end to the unit. Start the ignition on or start the car and then you can start the auto scan. During the auto scan, it is seen that the XTOOL Diagnostic tool recognized the following modules. Powertrain Control Module, PCM, and Transmission Control Module, TCM. Anti-lock brake and traction control module, ABS/TCM. Restraint Control Module, RCM. It can read and erase the error codes for each module separately, but the car did not have any error codes at the time of testing. After you've finished with diagnose, you should turn the ignition off and disconnect the cable from the OBD2 port. I have to say that XTOOL D5S has proven to be a practical and efficient car diagnostic tool for diagnosing a 2013 Mazda CX-5, recognizing essential modules and providing the necessary information in a first investigation.